Given an object, when invert is past this object, which is our function here, then it should swap the keys and values in the object. And as you can see here, we have an example. If we pass this object into our invert function, then we should get a new object where the values are swapped. But this is not working at the moment. As you can see, if we run our test, it is failing. So we expect to get this new object, but we are getting here key 20. So why is this happening? So let's explain what's going on here first in our code. So what we're doing here, we are converting our object into a list of key value pairs and using array destructuring to get the key and the value. But the interesting part is happening here. So the dot notation here does not give us access to the key we are getting from the destructuring of the array. So basically what this line of code is doing, it is creating a new property called key and assign it the value. That's the reason why if we run our test, we are getting this key and 20. So how do we fix this? So let's fix this now. Because we want to swap the two, so now let's run our test. Now we are passing the test. It's working fine. Let's run our code. And this is exactly what we expect. So this is how we fix it.